Billions of years ago, Mars wasn't the barren red desert we see today. Ancient riverbeds carved deep into Martian rock tell an extraordinary story of flowing water that once cascaded across the planet's surface. These geological fingerprints reveal that Mars experienced epic floods, gentle streams, and perhaps even vast lakes that sustained liquid water for millions of years. The evidence lies frozen in time, etched into canyon walls and delta formations that mirror Earth's own waterways. This remarkable discovery transforms our understanding of Mars from a lifeless world to a planet that once harbored the essential ingredient for life as we know it.